I'm Elizabeth's eldest son, but my brother Ben is there. Emeka is wearing the nice red shirt. My sister Chinya is there, and my wife Patricia is there, and my two children Usita and Chinedu are in the back. My mom is quite well known. It's very strange to be better known in another person's country than in your own country. So my mom isn't very well known in New Zealand, but if I say the name Isichie anywhere I am in Nigeria, everybody asks me, are you related to Elizabeth? And many people don't realize she's white. So it's a complication. And I okay, can I ask Ima na oge nna m chọrọ ịgba akwụkwọ a na-agwa ya na ịma gị na onye ọcha ma gbakwa akwụkwọ ị ga-achọtakwa onye Igbo maka ịnụ onye ọcha ịbụga efulefu ịnago n'iyi a na-ebe akwa na Asaba si n'ezulugo Pita anago n'iyi unu afụghị ya ụkwanye ahụ na ebe a ịma ndị be anyị na-atụ na-asị na agadi nwaanyị kala nka gịnị etie ọkụnụ si ka nsụgba na-ajụ ụlọ agadi nwaanyị kala edozie na ji akụ wee lụọ anya ọbịa ọgwa nna anyị ọ bụrụ obele ife konome tata mmasịlụ na-asị ọ bụrụ obele ife konome tata anyị ekene ụnụ niile nugo daalụ sọ ọbụna be anyị atụ na daalụ sọ na ndị Asaba asị daalụ sọ. She used to drive. So there are younger people who are here. I'm not another Igbo for Mana. There are younger people here. My mom used to drive from Enugu to Nsukka on her own. There are very few people as well that leave during a civil war to go back home. They went home. My mom and dad went home in 1971, 72, once the civil war finished. So to give you some context, that's like you planning now to leave New Zealand and go back to Afghanistan, or to go back to it doesn't make sense. So I think that it really means a lot to her. It means a lot to all of us today that you guys have supported us like this. Family, we just want to thank you. Go. That was so. I appreciate it.